Welcome to User Experience 101. Are you ready? Do you want to work for some of the top companies in the field such as Google, Salesforce, Netflix, and so many more? Learn what UX and UI design is so you can be ready for an exciting career in user experience design. This course is designed to give you the real information that you need to know, and to not sugarcoat the information. Unlock the power of UX with this course, UX Design 101. With this course, you get real-world learning, expert-led instruction, covers all of UX design. This course is your gateway to mastering the essentials of UX design. You will learn about user research, information architecture, interaction design, wireframing, prototyping, content design, visual design, and usability. This course is for beginners, developers, or anyone who wants to learn user experience design. Invest in your future and open endless opportunities in the UX field. UX Design 101 is your first step towards becoming a sought-after UX designer. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your career and make a real impact on user experience. Learn to think how a designer thinks. Real-world knowledge so you can be ready. Get ahead of the competition. Buy this course now and receive access to me for all your questions and concerns. I have been in the industry for 15 years and I can teach you all I know. Exciting. Enroll in UX Design 101 today and start designing experiences people will love.